Today, I'll walk you through how to make a DIY Snapchat filter with stickers, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create your own unique filter so you can enhance your Snapchat experience and share it with friends. First, let's get started by opening the Snapchat app on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features remain the same. Once you have the app open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will make the process smoother. Next, look for the picture that you want to turn into a filter. This could be a fun image or a memorable moment that you'd like to customize. Once you've selected your picture, it's time to edit it. Click on the scissor icon to make a cutout of the part of the image you want to use as a sticker. This is where the magic begins. Once you've made your cutout, it will automatically be saved as a sticker. This is a crucial step as it allows you to use this sticker in your future snaps. Now, take a picture or select one from your gallery. On the edit screen, click on the stickers icon to access your saved stickers. Now go back to the scissor icon and choose the sticker that you just created. Since this is just a sample, I made a simple sticker, but feel free to get creative with your designs. You can adjust the size, rotate it, or even layer multiple stickers to create a more dynamic look. Remember, the beauty of this process is in your creativity. You can explore different images and styles to make your filter truly unique. Whether you want something fun, festive, or artistic, the possibilities are endless. As we wrap up, I hope you feel inspired to create your own Snapchat filter with stickers. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.